Welcome to Technical Drawing with Mr. Chi. So today we're looking at how to draw a title block and a border line, but I'm going to start with drawing a border line. Okay, so the border line is the boundary around your drawing. Okay, it gives it the beauty and makes it look more organized. Okay, so your border line is drawn 10 millimeters or 1 centimeter away from the edges of your paper. So how do we do that? I'll take my ruler. Now I don't have my T-square, but I can improvise with the ruler. Okay, so I take my ruler and then I locate 10 millimeters on my ruler from here to here, which is the same thing as 1 centimeter. And I would also take note of this last line of my ruler, the beginning of the measurement, actually, the last line, and make sure it aligns with the edge of my paper. Okay, not too close to the top and not too far from the top. And then I point out my 1 centimeter. Okay, and as you know, a straight line is the distance between 2 points, so we are going to get nothing less than 2 points. The more points you get, the more accurate it is. But the points should not be too close to each other, neither should it be too far from each other, depending on the length of your ruler. Okay, so I get my second point, and having got the 2 points, I will join them with a straight line, and it has to be thick also. Sorry, I used the pencil of the compass. It's not supposed to be, so it has to be thickly drawn. Okay, now it didn't get to the bottom and neither did it get to the top, although the line is supposed to extend closer to the top. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put my ruler here, more than half of the ruler on the previous line, and then extend towards the top. I'll do the same thing here, more than half, and extend towards the bottom. Okay, so I've gotten the line for that, the right hand side. Now I have to get for the top, the bottom, and the left hand side the same principle. Okay, so I'll put see the last line and make sure it aligns with the tip of my paper, and then I put a dot. Now the dot should not be too thick so that it doesn't show after you've drawn the line. The dot should be able to disappear after you've drawn your line. Okay, so I put another dot, and then I join the two together. And then I extend to the edges and do for the rest. So I'm just going to quickly do that and wrap up. So there you have it, the border line and the title block all drawn, and they are of equal thickness. They are equally thick. Okay, so thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos coming up.